Holders of Jubilee insurance medical cover will not access services at the Nairobi hospital going forward. Well, this follows the suspension of the insurer by the Nairobi hospital over an outstanding debt of 357 million shillings.
The move by the Nairobi hospital to drop one of Kenya's largest insurance firms came as a shock to a number of the health policy holders. Correspondence between the hospital and the insurance showing that Jubilee Insurance, a listed firm at the Nairobi Securities Exchange, had not paid claims for service provided to its clients for 2.5 years now. In a letter sent by Citizen Television, the Nairobi hospital CEO Dr. Alan Pemba says they were left with no choice but to suspend the insurance firm after it failed to pay up to 357 million shillings debt, despite numerous reminders and promises to do so. Dr. Pamba further says in the letter that the bills date back to 2018 and 2019 packages amounting to 33 million shillings and 47.8 million shillings respectively. Additionally, the Jubilee Insurance was the Nairobi hospital 96 million shillings, which has accrued since the beginning of 2020. The 96 million shillings includes packages for the 2020 invoices, which is still not being honored despite assurances from the insurer's end, the letter reads in part. As a result, the hospital chief executive officer has written to all its admitting consultants notifying them of the suspension. Jubilee Insurance has also notified its policy holders of the disruption of services. The message reads in part, and I quote, "We are working to resolve the matter as soon as possible. Similar services are, however, available at the rest of our other expansive provider panels available." End of quote. In May, Jubilee Insurance announced a 2.6% drop in net profit to 4 billion shillings for its 2019 financial year report. The profit, it added, dropped on higher claim settlements and a lower return from its associates. While its premiums were up 9% to 29.1 billion shillings, it witnessed an increase in claims from 15.9 billion shillings to 19.7 billion shillings. Incomes from associated businesses declined in the period under review from 1.3 billion shillings to 988 million shillings. Our efforts to get comment from the Jubilee's head of medical insurance were unsuccessful. Dorcas Wangira, Citizen TV, Nairobi.